Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hey, hello, Anand.
Hey, Kashif.
Nice shirt, man, nice shirt.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Not able to see you.
Yo, how are you doing?
Good. I'm not able to see you. Your videos are not loading. Maybe it's taking time. Can you guys see me?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm not able to see you guys.
Yeah, because my camera is off.
There is NFT today. I'm actually on gold sell.
So let's look at the chart. I, I'm not in for trading today. I did some good trades on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So today, I called it a week already. But let's look at the charts. So yesterday, we had a crazy rejection on the daily candle, and today this candle started to go bullish for a wick fill, but the way I see it, it's again rejecting. And on the 30-minute time frame, we are having some good multiple rejections from London highs, right? We're having multiple rejections from London highs, so I'm also looking for sells. The way I see it, it's going down to take out your London lows.
I'm actually on sales from 35 in 34. I missed my TP and it was running again back at Henry, but I'm holding the trade.
It's high probability for sales.
What man, Kasif? What is happening on Nasdaq? Every day,
Nasdaq,
every day, all time high, all time high.
I'm not trading Nasdaq nowadays, but because Nasdaq is simple, like you wake up and you buy.
Like last 30 candles is just buy, 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 buy. 30, 35 candles is just buy, buy, buy.
Yeah, it's insane.
I'm still not able to see you guys. Let me just refresh the page. Yeah, I think I'm not able to see you guys. There is some issue, I guess.
Yeah, gold is dropping, by the way.
Hmm.
I don't know but the trading couldn't
But
see.
I'm on live. I will exit my gold in like another 10-15 minutes. Since I have live account, I can't hold the trade during news. So yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm targeting this London move. So if you guys want
Yeah, I
to
think it can easily go. Even I was targeting that, but it just missed and went up. I was
start,
floating 2.5 and it went to break even. So such a printing experience.
and also
Astus.
this is also a
Huh?
liquidity.
Astus, I did the same mistake.
The first target is this liquidity right here at
Hmm.
4707.
Hello.
Hmm. 5 minute time frame. This is also a rejection block, but from here, like you can see some rejections on the 1 minute time frame, but I'm seeing like it's going straight to take out 4707, and then eventually it will take out London lows at 4697. Or maybe if it taps like 4700, uh, that would be the final target right here, 4701. All right, my sales. I didn't want you to trade today, but the sales were so smooth, so I went in. It's running in like on my copy trading account. I'm already 1% up. That means like my copy traders, those who are copying me, they're up also 1%. Good.
I will exit another 10 minutes.
This is good. Like the, I believe like when I called out this, yeah, in my Discord community as well. When I called out this move, the price was. Let me check on the 30-minute time frame. The price was 471516. Given that like it's a good move, it's a very good move.
Hmm.
Yeah, taking out 4707 target. Okay, target. First target is about to be reached. Okay, target reached 4707, guys. It's almost like 80 pips. Almost 80 pips. Plus 80 pips. Hmm.
I
Sulaiman,
think
have you got?
I still didn't exit. I'll exit in 5 minutes.
Yeah, just keep Anand, like secure some profits.
Hmm.
I don't know if my camera is working. Maybe I can open up my camera somewhere. Okay, yeah. Now you are trying to.
I thought it was my issue that I was not able to view you guys.
Yeah, like look at this. Crazy. 4, 7, uh, 10. Nice call out. Spot on. Salman, make a story on this. Make a story on this. Also show in Discord like the before and after. It's more than 100 pips. Yeah, guys, I'm done for the day, guys. I'm done for the day. Some nice games. You need to be fast, like to make money. This market is not for simple. This market is for players.
Can I turn on the thing now? Man, just wrap it up. I'm live.
Ostis, your mic is
As
open.
not muted.
Hello, do you hear me?
Anand, did you secure your positions? Sells. Yo, Anand. So it's my sticker, by the way, guys. And this is the full target, but honestly, I'll tell you, I have secured full already. Because as I said just in the start of this session, I called it a week. Made good money this week, flipped some nice accounts. So I was already done, but I saw this gold dropping like it was a very smooth setup. There were multiple rejections from London highs. It was a very obvious setup. So I have secured full. Let me check the price where I've secured full. Yes, so I've secured full at 4706. That's where I secured. Like it's just a little bit above 122. It's short rich. Right. tell you one thing: trading is boring when you are profitable. Like it becomes boring. The reason why it becomes boring because a non-profitable trader after every profit he will go for a second, third trade to make more money, and then he'll lose money, right? Because there is excitement to take another trade, take a third trade, take a fourth trade. But a profitable trader, why trading is boring for him? Because after one trade, he knows like in order to stay profitable, he has to call it a day and rinse and repeat, come back tomorrow. So then after, like for example, for me right now, like I've got nothing to do. Like there's money, I've made money, so I need to see like if I'll go out, I'll do something, I'll play games. I just need to utilize my time because honestly, I'll tell you, like, it's like trading is really addictive. It's you have that urge to trade again and again and again, but the only way to profitability is to suppress that urge, right? I see right now it's gold is taking out liquidity and it's going up. I can take a buy, but why? Right? This is the urge that you guys need to suppress in order to have an improvement in your trading skills. Or maybe you can use mobile like hostess.
I closed position. I booked 1,400.
Nice, good, great.
But still, I need to make like another 1-2% to withdraw. But
Yeah, that's
I,
the
I
thing.
majorly cut because NFP is coming. Otherwise, I'm holding the trade
When is NFP?
in another 13 minutes.
No way, today is NFP. Seriously.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I'm already done for the day. Ah, poor me. I'll miss all the excitement. Or maybe I
I
buy
think.
one FundingPips account and I gamble on NFP.
So there is a question. I have a question for you guys. Why is it so hard for someone who has never even made $10 from the market to pass a 50K challenge? This really happened to me. Do you have any advice for the future, bro? Like probably you should start trying. Initially, you won't just pass the account as soon as you start trading. First, you have to understand the rules, then you have to understand the game. It might take a couple of tries. I would personally recommend you to start off with a smaller account, understand the game, lose some money. Then once you get a hang of it, phase one, phase two, and live how to trade, then you should be able to like mint money. But it is not easy. You have to be very disciplined. You have to have proper setup, proper mindset in order to do that. That
But the
was a
thing
good
is,
example.
I would say like he asked like why is it so hard for someone who has never even made $10 from market to pass a 50K challenge? This thing happened to me because you don't know what it takes to pass a challenge. Like for the people who are looking to buy challenges, I would 100% recommend like first try to make a real money on trading, right, on a live account because you don't know what it takes to be profitable. You don't know when to trade and when not to trade. You will jump on any candle, any random candle, any volume, any falling candle. You will just jump in out of FOMO, out of greed, right? So that's the reason why a lot of people into challenges they fail because they don't know, they don't have it in themselves actually. Like trading is a situation. Trading is not something like you come onto the charts and you see a candle and you just execute. Trading is not about like a static risk. Like I would say like from my personal experience being 15 years into trading, like static risk is a scam. Like like risking 0.5% per every trade. No, like when there's a probability, when there's a high probability, when there's an opportunity and there's a pattern that you have back tested hundreds of times, you have executed and traded hundreds of times, why would you trade take a 0.50% risk? Like personally for me, like this if there's a low probability setup, I might not even take a trade or might take like 0.25% risk. So if I get a stop loss, I know like nothing's bad, right? But when is there's a high probability setup, I would go in with 1.5% risk, 2% risk. So you need to see like when you have to go aggressive, when you have to go defensive, and when you have to not go at all into trading, into the charts, right? And this thing you get to know when you have data. Data is everything. By data, I mean backtesting data. When you will have a backtesting data of like 100 trades, 1,000 trades, 1,000 setups, you would know the pattern. You would know how the market is going to develop. Like you when you sit with people, those who are profitable or has at least spent like 10 years into trading, they will tell you one thing, that technicals is bullshit. They will tell you that intuition and experience is something that gives you an edge. A 10-year-old, a person who has spent 10 years onto the charts, he would literally look at the price action, the structure, and he would visualize the candles that has to be printed, right? We would simply visualize those things. What's going to happen? What can be the scenario number A? What can be the scenario number B? What I'm going to do like in scenario A? How my risk is going to be? What is my exit plan? What is going to be my entry plan? What is going to be my risk management plan? And what I'm going to do in scenario B? Everything will be pre-planned in his brain, even without him doing anything. So it's the thoughts, it's the experience, it's the intuition. So if you are new, like man, it's gonna take you some time, but this thing works out. I'm not gonna say trading is very easy. It's the most difficult business to make easy money, but that difficulty lasts like a while. And you have to go through it. Like there's a cost, there's a price to everything. If you want to be a doctor, you have to spend like 5 years into studies and then 2 years into practicals. If you want to be a pilot, you have to spend like 4 years into learning and then like 2 years into flying, right? You cannot become a profitable trader without going through the process. So if you're losing, if you're on a break even stage, get that straight to your mind. You are in the learning process. You are going through the process. Stop looking at influencers and people showing you Ferraris and Lamborghinis and rented cars. That just fucks up your brain. Just focus on your journey. Focus on that you are going through the process and how you can improve yourself psychologically and personally to fasten up that learning process. The more you will focus on yourself, your trading, your setup, your progress, there's a higher chances you will get out of your learning curve and become a profitable trader. It all takes time. Anyway, guys, have to leave. I'm done for the day. Anand, Austis, thank you so much. You guys carry on. I gotta leave. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. You asked to.